Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2013 Mercedes-Benz SL Class SL63 AMG base. This comes in a black exterior with a black interior. So there's wood grain finishes throughout. Around to the back of the vehicle here. See our AMG, Mercedes-Benz, and SL63 badging, and the power opening and closing trunk. Plenty of storage space back here. We do have blind spot assist. Let's go and take a look on the inside of the vehicle. Premium Harman Kardon sound system. Memory seats with the driver seat controls, driver door controls. There's AMG throughout. Driver seat. Steering wheel. Let's go ahead and hop inside the vehicle. And mileage is currently at 36,312. And we have a push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz navigation system, radio, and backup camera. Climate control. AMG style shifter. Center console. And of course controls for the top. Now, if you'd like to see any photos, get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.